We're very excited that the RIPE Symposium will be available online soon. You'll be able to register for the symposium in Lisbon this year. The title this year is Comprehensive Aesthetics, and really our focus is not just making things pretty, but making things pretty with a good foundation and a long-lasting result. And the basis of this is that beautiful digital planning, excellence in the analogue techniques that we use to do the treatment, engineering the tissues so that we have a foundation for this aesthetics, and getting a beautiful longevity from whatever it is that we do. And I think really those 4 points that sum up this symposium this year is the focus on getting beauty with well-engineered foundations and a long-lasting result, because something that's pretty and disastrous is just not what we're after. It will have all the heavyweights of RIPE there speaking. You'll have Ricardo, you'll have Mark Bowes with his full digital protocol. You'll have speakers like Dale who will teach you to question everything. I will be there. So all the big names that you're expecting will be there, and they will have all new fresh material, which will be an extraordinary approach to this comprehensive aesthetics that we want to think about, where it's not just about making it pretty, but making it pretty long lasting. It will be limited to 100 people. We've thought long and hard about how we will run our symposium, and we've decided that big is not necessarily beautiful. There's two very distinct things about the RIPE Symposium. One is that the people there from RIPE will know each other before they arrive. It is like a family get together. It's the feeling when we got together in Dubrovnik was beautiful. People were going out, all of us would join up for dinner. It was just an amazing experience, and I expect it to be the same, if not more powerful, and with a stronger family feel in the Lisbon event. Now, the second way is very distinct, is that we don't take money from sponsors. This is a very important part of our philosophy, that we're not compromised. When you try and take money from sponsors, then you start thinking about how you please the sponsors. It doesn't, no matter how hard you try, it affects how you approach the event. So how do we make it run without being too expensive? It's sponsored by RIPE itself and by the speakers. The speakers earn enough through their engagement through the year, and online involvement allows them to earn enough income through the year and allows RIPE itself to earn enough from teaching that it can support an event like the Lisbon event. For those of you who cannot come to the event because it's either sold out, we're purposely keeping the numbers relatively small. If you can't get there because of visa reasons, or because of budget reasons, or because of timing reasons, you will be able to watch the event live from the comfort of your own home. We'll have a full production team there, and you will be able to have full live lectures, live access, and even some of the social events. We'll have some live video flowing. We're very excited to have this going online. Now, there are only a limited number of places available, so please get on the waiting list or you'll miss out.